Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm Bye Money. Thanks for joining, everybody. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Hope everyone had an amazing day trading yesterday. Looking at the charts, it didn't look easy. I took one trade off stream, and this is the first entry off the 20 MA on a strong downtrend, thinking we're going to hit the obvious target, which is the previous day's close, closing the gap on the 5-minute chart. So I decided it would be a nice scalp to take. I ended up getting a nice 5-pointer plus another 20 points maybe on the runner, so that was nice. Points, it's like 4 extra points, $400 extra. Yeah, not bad. Not bad if I say so myself, pandas. The Nas crack. Second entry long here. Top left of your screen, you can see where we're at. We're about $1,000 in profit, more or less. If you average all the accounts out, and that means we have to make $5,500 more pandas, to get payouts on these 250K accounts. Pandas, believe me when I say this, we're gonna get there. It's gonna happen. We had a hard time trading yesterday. I don't think yesterday was particularly easy, especially around this. Well, first off, no real setups, not for a long time. You got this trap trade, ended up being decent, but notice your break even gets tapped. Break even +1 gets tapped. So your runner might have got taken out right there. Possibly. Yeah, I don't think yesterday in particular was easy. Big Mama triggers, ends up making a top, reverses sharply. I mean, I didn't really think we were going to trend very hard because of the price action during the day. Ended up coming back into a big range. Gets pushed down. Like, I don't know. You're thinking spike in channel some sort? Maybe. Undershoot, overshoot. Another spike. You're thinking, after every spike, some sort of channel, a spike, trading range. Spike, and you don't know that's going to turn to a trading range until after it happens. You see maybe 3 overlapping bars here, a couple overlapping bars here. You don't really know how long the trading range is going to last for, but ends up being a trading range. Trading range right here. Then breaks out of the trading range. Lots of chop here, lots of chop here. Like, I wouldn't feel comfortable trading any of this, to be honest. But spike, essentially spike in channel here. You could say like overshoot to undershoot, perhaps. Hard to know what to use for your trend line, like this or this, right? Using this pivot here or this pivot here. Hindsight bias, it's 2020. overshoot, undershoot. Then you get a nice bounce. This trap fails. Far away, too far away from 20 MA. Second entry long. I don't know. Do you even make a 1-to-1 here is a question. Terrible signal bar. Probably wouldn't take it. Don't make a 1-to-1 before it gets stopped out. Ends up going up. Trading range for a little bit. Overshoot, undershoot. Comes back up to top. Tests the top of the trading range. Maybe you could tell after 3 overlapping bars here. Some more overlap here. All this overlap that we're going to have a trading range for a little bit. And then, you probably entered long here. When it's perfectly the time it actually breaks out. Breaks out. Pushes down. Breaks this low. Yeah, I mean, this is confusing. Like, it just continues to go into trading ranges randomly. It's hard for me to read, even after, with hindsight bias, it's hard for me to read, to be honest. I mean, you might have had a better day trading than I did. I mean, I was green. I took basically one trade yesterday, and it was a winner, as you can see with my markers. By the way, markers always on. Never hide anything here. Tell me another trader that does that. All the markers on. Jeez. I don't know. Spike down. I don't know, Pandas. Trading range into trading range? But this is a trend. Spike channel. Breaks out. New low. 2 pushes down. I don't know. I mean, what's just to make of this? This is too confusing. It's big up, big down, big up, big down. Trading range again. You can see all this overlap. Turns to trading range. Some readable price action here. I'm sure Al Brooks could read this perfectly. I just don't know. Oh, market's open. Let me say good morning to my pandas. Lou the writer, good morning. Mawashi Trey, good morning. Mr. Bobo, good morning. Ramon Soto, I keep getting redirected to update my payment method. When I enter the info I submitted, it refreshes doesn't show whether I accepted or not. Is there another way to update? Yeah, no, you gotta ask the Apex that. I think they will help you gladly. Hugh says, I'm unable to hear what you're saying. Is my mic not loud enough? Check. How's that? Is that better? Gio, good morning. Hello, check. Is this too sensitive now? Better? Alright, thanks for letting me know. Okay. I mean, we had this big spike down from the news. 8:30 was retail sales. By the way, if you want to know when news is, you can go to my go to our Discord, and I have a news channel that I put all the news in that I think will. I basically put all the news in, and I marked that the retail sales was a potential mover. Okay, you got a big push up here. I don't feel confident in anything right now. I just don't get the price action at the moment. Very confusing to me. If I had to, I don't even know. Is this even appropriate? Big blue box. Maybe something like this. I don't know. Strong push down. Okay. Pushes up. Yeah. Was I gonna take my the first entry there? No, definitely not. It looks like it's working out. Pandas, what do we do here? Pandas!
10,000 tick trap.
What do we do? Decent push up here.
10,000 tick trap.
10,000 tick trap. I gotta change the sound of that. It's actually a 5,000 tick trap. Big push up here. Are we banking on a breakout on an ascending channel? I don't know, man. Those are rare. Pretty rare, if I say so myself. I'll tell you. Don't worry, I'll tell you. All right. Come back in to our ascending channel. Do I just go on first entries? Technically, that was a second entry. But I just take off the first bounce off of these this channel here. After 3 pushes up now, 1, 2, 3. Is it too late? Like, do I dare? Do I dare just buy here? Should I just try? It doesn't make sense, pandas. But that's what I'm seeing right now. Do I just buy here? Just buy? Ooh, it's already pushing up. I might have missed my chance. I guess I should have just bought. Goodness gracious, I should have just bought it. I'm telling you, the best traders are dumb. Best traders are those who don't think at all. Just do it. Goodness gracious. That's what Al Brooks said. He said Forrest Gump would be the best trader. He'll just do what's obvious. But at the same time, the market does the unpredictable. So, I mean, who knows? What's the nature of the market today? I don't know. Okay, another push down. Second entry long, pandas. I mean, sure, why not? Obviously gonna go down now. Obviously gonna fill the gap. 5-minute chart, big gap here. Obviously gonna fill the gap. Obviously. Second entry long. Obviously, I should take a second entry long there. Obviously, I should have just gone long. Goodness gracious. Whew. That push up. That push up. Obviously, I should have gone long. Why didn't I go long? The reason why I didn't go long is we're underneath the 20 MA, but seeing the current pattern, that seemed like the obvious thing to do. Question is, what do we do now? Are we expecting a breakout here? Obviously not. Obviously coming back to the bottom of the channel. Obviously. The move up was so strong, you're thinking possible breakout here. But obviously, I should have just gone short right there. So obvious. Obviously, it's going to stay in this channel perfectly, like it always does. And it's just, that's the obvious thing. You need to be so stupid to not know that. To be so dumb to not know that. No news. News already happened at 8:30. Tomorrow, no news. Thursday, we do have news at 8:30 a.m. Unemployment claims. It could be big. It could be big. It could move the markets. Possibly. Bill 7, good morning, Pan. Scalp that like I'm a Bob thing. Hugh says, Forrest Gump would say, I may not be a smart man, but I know when to go long or short on second entries off of two key entry points that are in confluence with the current trend. Uh-huh. All right. Okay. Second entry long, 20 EMA. Right in the middle of a channel. It's risky. It's risky. Ooh. It's confusing to me, to be honest. Well, that makes it obvious what to do, right? We don't take it here. I like it when the market makes things obvious, because very rarely do you have something obvious to do, even if it's not doing anything. Start with the obvious things and keep finding things that are obvious. You know what I mean? Of course, to come back to the bottom of the channel. Duh. Comes back down, may fill the gap here. Decent spike down. 5-minute chart, right? There's a gap here. 3 overlapping bars, completely overlapping on the 5-minute chart right now. Now, do I think we're gonna come back up? It feels a little overextended now. This could have found its direction for a little bit at least. Far away from 20 MA. Five-minute, right? Strong bear bar, ending on low, and then limit orders came in at the bottom of this bar, the bottom of the candle. Came in multitudes. I'm gonna go short there for the content, but that's some big risk, pandas. That's some serious risk right there. Less risk now if I took it here. But do I want to take it here? I'd rather, at this point, wait for the second entry short to trigger or to set up. Ends up being a decent retracement if you just took it somewhere 50% of this bar, which is what seems like what people are doing, 50%-ish. Now we're pushing down, big push down. This trap, like, look how big this bar is and look how green it is. That's your signal bar. I don't know. I could have came with a 50% retracement, but at that point I felt like maybe just second entry short. Might as well wait. Good things happen to those who wait, but not for those who wait too late. Little Bill Withers reminding us of our trading strategy. Who knew Bill Withers was such a good trader? I just measured a spike here. Almost a 1-to-1 here on a spike. A spike channel. Almost a 1-to-1 on the channel of the spike. Which makes sense, right? People bought the top of the spike. Well, I guess there's a pullback here, so I don't know. Bought the top of the spike, or they bought after a pullback of the spike. Looking for a 1-to-1. Decent push down here. I guess we're going short. No entries in all of this, so it's not much you can do. Just sit and wait. But you can predict maybe what will happen. Maybe come back to the bottom of the blue box here. The 5-minute chart has a trading range developing, right? Top to the bottom here. I'm just going to sell. At the bottom of these candles here, I'm going to sell. The risk is not that large, plus potential reward back to the previous day's close. Right, filling the gap. Question is, are we going to get this high? Three bull bars in a row, perhaps. All right, in this trade. Quick fingers, pandas. First entry. Let's look for that new low, perhaps. That would suck if it takes me out.
Target filled.
Got the first target. Let's fill the gap. I can easily see this making a second entry short here. I'm just hoping it doesn't take me out. Doesn't take my runner out. Second entry short. Question is, will it take my runner out? I don't know. I hope not. Don't do that. Don't do it. I'm telling you, don't do it. I mean, it is what it is, Pandas. I made my 7 hundo though. Made a solid 7 hundo. Wow, almost like a perfect 1-to-1 was met. I should have measured that out. That's why you take out break even, because you don't know what else is going to happen. You don't know what else is going to happen after that. Trap trade here. Do I like it? Probably still looking for new low, but we'll see. Maybe a failed trap. I don't know. We're up a solid 700. I mean, I'll take it. I'll take the solid 700. What was my thinking behind that trade? Strong bear bar ending on its low. It come back up to retrace back to the breakout point. I just sold it there. Scalped a couple points there. Potential trap trade, but I don't like it here. These second entry shorts are wacky because they're triggering above the 20 EMA, which I hate. Like, what are you supposed to do there? Push down. All right. I mean, to me, I love this short here. I love this short. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Whoa, I love this short here. I love this short. If it gives me a lower high, I'll take it. I'll throw it. Ooh, lower high. A new low already created though, that's a problem. Yikes. I have bamboo I'm trying to protect as well. I'm not trying to get too reckless here. Lower high. Alright, lower high. Fills a gap. That's what I was waiting for. Alright, gap is filled finally. I think it's going to get back to the bottom of the trading range. I think this trading range is still valid here. 5-minute chart. Decent push down. Could be dripping now. The floodgates have opened. Okay. What do we do here now? It's just dripping. I love that short, but I hate the outside bar reversal. Hate the amount of risk that was involved too. You're thinking bottom of the trading range on the 5-minute chart. At least that's what I'm thinking. Second entry long maybe forming on the daily chart. Okay. Oof. No entries, but looks like it's gonna continue to go down. It's just too far away from any resistance. But I'll gladly watch this go down. I'll be happy to see it. At least we're getting the direction correct, you know what I mean, Pandas? It's just not my setup. Move and measure move. It's the first entry. Let's wait for that second entry, Pandas. It's the first entry off of a 20 EMA, off a resistance. I'm okay being patient here. Second entry. I have a measured move being measured here. Too much noise. Gotta make these little lighter here. First entry works out nicely. Measure move about to be hit. Bottom of the trading range on the trading range indicator, as you can see on the 5-minute chart, being hit, which is where I thought it will be hit. Question is, will we continue to go down? Or we're gonna bounce back up? I'd like to see the measure move be hit. How do you make measure moves? Simple. Find the distance of the first move. Look for the highest, measure it. Look for the highest point in the pullback, which is right here, and put your measurement there, and that's a measured move. It's called a measured move because the move is measured by something. Okay? I mean, that's close enough for me, thinking the measure move be hit. If we reverse up here, I wouldn't be surprised. Okay, now we really can say we hit the measure move. No questions asked. Plus more, what is this? Goodness gracious. What do we do here, Pandas? Sit on our pause or try to jump in? Try to jump in the current. Alright. Big Mama might be hit. But now so overextended. I hate that. We're just crushing that measure move. I guess you can say downtrend. Unfortunately, even downtrends need to have pullbacks. I mean, you could take it here, but it's risky, Pandas. I was gonna say that right now. It's kind of risky. It is. Trap this trigger way too far away from 20 MA. It's fine, Pandas. Everything will be okay. Don't worry, Pandas. Don't worry. Just be patient. But that's a strong bear bar. On the 5-minute chart, you're thinking there's going to be some follow through with that. Jeez Louise. Been having a pattern after a strong bear bar. The pullback is decently strong. Or not. Big Mama about to trigger. I can't take it, Pandas. I simply can't. I just cannot. I'm sorry. I can't do it. I can't do it, Pandas. I'm sorry. This is too overextended for me. Okay, now we're getting a pullback, which makes me feel better about taking it now. Like some pullback. I would like to touch the 20 MA. Technically, we didn't even touch it here. Jeez Louise, that's overlapping. Everything in me tells me not to take this Big Mama. I can't take it, Pandas. I want to, but I can't. I really want to, trust me, but I cannot take it. At least not on the first attempt. Maybe second attempt. I would like some pressure built up here. I don't like when it grinds to Big Mama. Okay, Big Mama triggers. Probably going to be good, but I'm skipping it. Sorry, Pandas. Ooh, good skip. I would have got taken out. I've been taken out right there on that Big Mama attempt. And now it's good, I think. I would have been taken out right there. On this spike back up, I would have been taken out. I'm in no rush. I'm up 7 hundo. I have no urgency here to really jump into trade. I don't mind. Yep. I would have lost that Big Mama. This is a second attempt on Big Mama here. Wowzers. Second attempt on Big Mama. Doesn't trigger, misses by 1 tick. Jeez Louise, that's crazy. That's actually crazy, misses by 1 tick. Okay, we're in this Big Mama. Ooh, I don't know. Doesn't look good. Does it look good? Second attempt on Big Mama. We're good. Pandas. Pandas. Easy peasy. Let's just keep riding it down until the previous candle's high is broken. Ooh. I'll take it. I'll take a little spike. Oof. Okay. Okay, guess not. Guess I won't take that little spike. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, I'm out. 1,205 bamboos. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Pandas! Killing it. Last couple streams. I've been having $1,000 days. Easy peasy. What was the last 4 streams? One stream I didn't take any trades, but the other 2 I made $1,000. Now we're back to 1,000 again. Back to back 1K days, pandas. I mean, that has to be worth something. Continue this downtrend here. It could consolidate a little bit. Just look at the 5 and how far away we are from 20 MA right now. But it's the first breakout, so this could last a while. Expanding pattern. Of course. Expanding patterns everywhere. Hate expanding patterns. Second entry short. Do I like the second entry short here? I don't know. Do I like it? It's such a strong downtrend. Okay, that makes it easy for me to skip with such a strong bull bar. Now you're happy. Not really happy because you're finding yourself making money easily, but happy because you know obviously what to do here, which is sit on your paws. It is a second entry short. Second entry short triggers. Trap trade. Decent push down, but how much further down will it go? Nobody knows. I mean, I'd be happy if I was a short right now. If I was short, I'd be happy. Yeah, I'd be definitely happy if I was short here. No, congratulations for those who took that short. I mean, the signal bar was terrible. Like, really bad. Straight up doji bar. Bottom of the trading range. Does it make a 1-to-1? I don't think it makes a 1-to-1 yet. That's the problem. Right, your 1-to-1 is okay. Take it all back. No, still haven't made a 1-to-1. I think it will though. I think it will. It's very close. 1-to-1 made. All right. I guess I should have taken it, but jeez. You know what's kind of funny? This is how the market used to move for the E-mini. The E-mini used to move like this. Believe it or not. It actually looked like this and moved like this during the pandemic. And that's when like a lot of people started trading because people were just stuck at home. And then there are a couple popular videos. One being Michael Chin, of course. His video came out and people just all started jumping on futures. Confusing here. Market's getting a little bit confused. Consolidating. Trading range. Technically, I should be looking for a short somewhere in this area. Technically. Clearly staying underneath the 20 EMA here. It's a good sign for bears. Okay, big push down. Alright. It looks a little sloppy to me. But I may go short here if we get a second entry or a trap trade. I don't want to do it, but I might have to do it, pandas. Back in the trading range, though. HO says, yeah, it was so volatile times they had to significantly increase margins. Yep, increase margins, and also there are times where they like had to put breakers on the market because it was moving too much. Bottom of trading range, back to the top of trading range. It's just magic, pandas. It's just magic. I'm telling you. Big push up here. This could be a reversal, or it's more consolidation. Who knows? Al Brooks knows. I don't know. Should I just go short here, back to the bottom trading range? Should I just chance it? Oof, I'm glad I didn't. I'll tell you that much. Well, I'll tell you. I'm glad I didn't go short right there. I'm up 1,200. Am I in any rush to take any risky trades right now? Not really. Not really. NJ, you with the trade evade or are you with Rhythmic? All right, touching the 20 EMA on the 5K chart. Right, deep pullback back to the 5K, second entry short. Setting up here on the 5K chart. I could potentially take it. Huge risk though. Look at that risk. Goodness gracious. It's unbelievable risk. Rhythmic. I'm okay with Rhythmic, I think. Yeah, my Rhythmic is fast. Am I getting am I getting that special treatment? Am I getting that special treatment? The superstar treatment? Am I getting it? The LeBron James treatment? Did they put me on the private servers? I doubt it. I honestly want to go short here. I just want to go short straight up. Big up, big down. Come back to the trading range, basically. I'm going to be a good little panda. Sit on my paws. Until I get an actual setup here. It's a lower high. It's purely intuition if I go short here. Pure intuition. Also second entry short on the 5K chart. The problem is the risk is huge on that trade. Yeah, I wanted to go short here, but didn't really get the setup I was looking for, unfortunately. Trend line. Don't mess with the trend line. If you see trend line, don't mess with it. It is just balancing. Balancing right now on a thumbtack on the previous day's low. Back and forth right now. I'm confused. I'm dizzy right now. I'm not exactly sure what's happening. It looks like it wants to push down one more time and create symmetry with this breakout here. But it doesn't have to. Surely doesn't have to. It can do whatever the heck it wants. Looks like it's pushing back up. This could be a straight up reversal. Wowzers. Yep. Don't mess with these trend lines. Don't mess with these trend lines. I've seen this many times. I've seen this story before many times. Not enough times to make it an acceptable or appropriate strategy, but enough times for me to stay away from it. What to do, pandas? What to do? Wowzers. Wowzers. Big push up. I've seen markets reverse on setups like this. I've seen them reverse. It's not pretty, but I've seen it reverse. It feels like there's unfinished business. It feels like it needs to push down one more time. I may be interested in a lower high here. What am I thinking though? I don't know. Decent push down. This time, possibly the one breakout time. This may be the time. Give me a lower high or something. I was looking for a lower high here, but we never got it. Okay, pushes back up. Wow. I mean, how perfect is this, like, bounce off of this, like, trend line right now? Can you be any more perfect than that? I don't know. I guess you could, but it dips down a little bit here. Making a big old triangle now. It's easier to see this on the 5-minute chart. There's a bunch of inside bars, outside bars, and basically it's, you know, it's just creating this triangle. It's pretty easy to see on the 5-minute chart, in my opinion. How about I use the GAN fan? I'll use it right now just for you. There. I could say now officially that I've used the GAN fan. There. Is that useful? Is that good? Looks pretty. All right, maybe breaking out here, I don't know. Pushing up. 20 EMA. Notice on the 5-minute chart, pandas, we actually still have this trading range and also expanding pattern. I mentioned expanding pattern because that means we may bounce off here, come back to the top of the expanding pattern, possibly just coming back into this trading range. Goodness gracious, it's confusing. I'll tell you that much. Well, I'll tell you. It's truly confusing. All right. I guess we're going back up. We finally made the measure move, right, of this push up, and then this push. That final push basically made that measure move. Two legs, same distance. But oh man, I didn't make the default. All right. It doesn't look pretty, but it is reversing off this nasty looking reversal. I don't like it because it feels like it needs another push down, but it doesn't get it. It feels like it needs another push down. It feels like incomplete, but it is what it is. That's trading for you. The reason why I feel like it needs another push down, look at the 5-minute chart. It's just a straight shot down, and it just kind of grinds back up. You think you would like a nice, and one more push down, and give a nice bounce back up, but really this is one leg down, pandas. One leg down, that's all it was. This looks nasty. Looks nasty to me. It's tough. I don't know. I mean, it was like consolidating for a while, and now it's kind of breaking out in a very uncomfortable way, but it's breaking out, pandas. Now we're trending. Bull trend. It just looks nasty. The 5-minute chart, literally, one leg down, one leg up. It doesn't look. It just feels uncomfortable. But we are in this expanding pattern. It does make sense at the bottom of it. Come back to the top of it. It can happen. Oh. Might be. When did that happen? Sorry about that, pandas. This whole time, you guys didn't realize I'm up 1,200. Goodness gracious. Just doing myself a disservice. Second entry long, pandas? Do I even want it? I don't know. I truly don't know. A second entry long here? I feel like no. I feel like the answer is trap is better. I'll take a trap, last trade of the stream. Ride or die. Ooh, it's a good signal bar to go long. I mean, that's a nice looking second entry long. I'll tell you that much. But I'll tell you, that's a pretty nice looking second entry long. Fortunately, it's just off the 20 MA. It's a nice looking second entry long, I'll tell you that much. It's like picture perfect A, B, C setup. Well, I'll tell you. It's picture perfect. I should just taken it basically because of picture perfect. Huh. Ooh. Oh. Okay. That doesn't give like a higher low or something. I'll take a higher low. Goodness gracious, I'll take a higher low here. Second entry long works out nice. I mean, it's a good looking second entry long. Beautiful signal bar coming off the 20 main uptrend. It is what it is. I think I was more concerned about protecting my profits. Pandas! I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. 9 o'clock for the pre-market show, 9:50 for the mainstream. Hope to see you guys there. Thanks for joining, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. I'll see you guys. Let me know if there's anything that I could do better here. Pandas! With that being said, I appreciate you guys joining. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.